27 is the election. They want to complete it in 2 months. You've got a whole year. If you give enough time for all of us to participate and ensure that the voters list is a genuine.
No, but tell us who is telling us what is the problem, who is facing.
Can I file affidavits before your lordship?
No, let the state government come and explain their difficulty.
How many will come here, Malaj? In fact, they are being threatened. We'll throw you out. We'll issue disciplinary proceedings against you for not obeying our orders.
Simple.
Whatever they say may be true, may not be true. How do we determine all this? Well, this is a very, very serious.
But all such allegations to test it.
This is the point.
When your lordship,
everything that you say,
your lordship, that appeals be filed, they be motivated. Nothing not.
Everything that you say need not be true.
Grateful.
Well, there is in fact a genuine concern, Malad, of the pressure that's on the BLO. There is a genuine concern.
Mr. Sibal, the only way out is that either the state government can deploy additional manpower. Every time in the election it happens. It's not something unusual.
Malad, if in 2 months this has to be completed, Malad, it's not. I mean, take for example Uttar Pradesh. Election is in 2027. They want to complete it in 2 months. Why? Just take the case of Uttar Pradesh itself. 27 is the election. They want to complete it in 2 months. You've got a whole year.
See,
So why is this happening?
We are saying, why is the election?
Why is the election
quiet? Why
Our
are saying that
problem
we
is
won't
that-
file complaint?
our problem is that how to answer this in piecemeal. If you are hearing the argument, let us conclude and try to.
No, but the problem is, Malad, why is the hurry for a state which is going into election in
Complain and
27?
file FIR.
If Malad, you give enough time for all of us to participate and ensure that the voters list is a
No,
genuine.
but tell us who is telling us what is the problem, who is facing. State governments are hard.
Can I file affidavits before your lordship?
No, let the state government come and explain their
How
difficulty.
many will come here, Malad? In fact, they are being threatened. We'll throw you out. We'll issue disciplinary proceedings against you for not obeying our orders.
Mr. Sibal, if the state governments are facing any difficulty, logistic difficulty, why can't they explain to us, please?
Malad, these are teachers, Malad. They don't have capacity to do that. Please appreciate what we are
The state
saying.
government doesn't have capacity to explain to us.
Where, Malad? They'll come to this court. They will
State
engage
has
a
already
lawyer.
come
Come
in
where?
order in
So therefore, let the state government explain to us that how many total employees they have, how many they have not been able to
That's
spare.
what the state is saying, Malaj. What is happening is, Malaj, these BLOs are just uploading forms, Malaj, without the information being given to the voter. They're just uploading forms, and then they are saying, we uploaded 99%, we have uploaded 90%. Malaj, who is going to test that? They say so. Whatever they say may be true, may not be true. How do we determine all this? Well, this is a very, very serious
But
issue.
all such allegations to test it.
This is the point.
When your lordship,
Everything that you say,
your lordship, that appeals be filed, they be motivated. Nothing not.
everything that you say need not be true.
No, that's
This
what
has to be tested.
Tamil
Malaj.
Nadu,
How do we
96%
test
is
it?
over. UP 85% is over.
Malaj, we have examples,
And
such
same
a
thing happened
egregious
in the
example
entire process
of what's
of Bihar.
happening on the ground. But it's impossible for us to, Malaj, come here and explain
The
all
state of Tamil Nadu has come.
Why should the election commission register FIRs? That's our only
Why?
question.
That
No.
already application is over.
If this state, it's not that first time happening. Earlier also they have been registering it. The only way out is, Mr. Gopal, the state government should provide the other staff people. The moment,
Should have directed that. That perhaps is a halfway solution. But even then, there's pressure on people. Don't register FIRs. Like Mr. Sibal said, let the process go on 6-7 months. Let it go on. What's the rush?
what else the election commission can do? State police is not under their control. State government is not under their control. What else they will do?
They were,
Ask for more staff.
no, 1 second.
One letter asking for more staff.
They were under
Let the
control.
election
In
commission-
Bihar, they were under control. Malaj.
Gopal, Mr.
In
More
Bihar, they were
staff
under
is-
their control.
If provided that the more staff is required. These are all assessments done at the ground level. Nobody is expert on.
Malaj, how are they saying that everything is going on
Because
perfectly?
that
They are saying that.
Because
Bagchi was showing us 2 paragraphs where
if
FIRs
the state governments have provided lakhs of employees,
No FIRs will be registered now. That's
how many,
enough for them to do.
how many, let us take one example, one state, how many lakhs of employees have been put at the disposal?
About 1.3 lakhs or so in some states.
So why can't the state add 30, 40, 50,000 more?
If the pressure is on the individuals.
Today now that
Once that they've asked, Manoj.
we have now directed, let the state government take a call.
Yes.
Let us hope that they provide additional staff and
The compliance report at least about where
So
they're
we take
facing the difficulty.
you also file a compliance report and let us
We
see
will.
that what is the,
We'll do it. Insofar
and
as
how
our
much total work on average basis.
yes.
You tell us that how much additional work, say for example, there is a school teacher or a Anganwadi worker. How many additional hours you are are expecting them or they have been asked to perform.
My lord, there is nothing, we'll place it before your lordship, my lord.
Just
And
let
in
us
any
know.
case, my lord, the election commission,
My
the
lord,
state
sir,
election commission, state, they are all, my lord, alive to this situation.
That's everything, my lord, that they say is the gospel.
No, they, whatever they say should be taken as
problem.
Because
gospel.
may-
I'll give you a lordship a small example. I'll give you a lordship. I mean, and that we are aware of that. I personally am aware. Well, there's a building in which there are, say, 100 people. This has no elevator. There's no assuming that building has no elevator, and many of them don't, Mullahs. You have to go to each place. How do you do that?
No,
He won't
At
get
the
it.
age of 75 years, I can walk up the stairs every day.
what purpose,
What
why
is
are
this?
you, what purpose your political workers are doing there?
But it is their job, Mullahs. It is their job under the
They should
Your
approach the
lordships are
chief
now putting the
electoral
burden on
officer for
us.
this.
It is their job.
Eh,
And my political worker will not do, therefore the elector will be.
We have
will be
suicide,
the list.
we have suicide notes, we have videos, transcripts.
Yes,
is
now
going
every,
because of
this
the
is all
pressure.
politicization.
I mean, it
Lord,
can
let
be
not there
discarded,
be any
but we have
politicization.
Let's hear the matter.
Anyway, also may hear that.
Let us start the hearing the matter.
Before Mr. Bhushan starts, bullets, before Mr. Prashant Bhushan starts, bullets, there's one thing I want to point out. Item number 17 are the Tamil Nadu matters which have gone out of the sequence now, bullets. Now, the only anxiety is this, bullets, that we also have submissions on the main legal question. Therefore, on the main legal question, after Mr. Bhushan and others from Bihar finish, bullets, we also have something to supplement. So, Your Lordship may hear us.
We are pointing out, in fact, whatever with our best of ability we have been able to study, your case is almost same as Bihar matter which is going on. At least maybe one or two.
But there are
also.
things we have to supplement. On the legal
Yeah, that's
question,
it.
we need to
So
supplement.
that's why we want to hear in continuity. We also can't deliver judgment in piecemeal. That is our predicament.
Lordship, please.
We can't close the matter
That's
after Bihar and deliver a judgment
Lordship.
because that is going to have an
In fact, in Tamil Nadu, they have said that the parliamentary law is irrelevant. We have the right to determine citizenship. It doesn't matter what parliament says. We have the
We will
plenary
respond,
power to
we
do
will
that.
respond.
And then
we
it
will
says after
respond to
next
your
paragraph,
argument, Mr.
we will not determine citizenship. I don't know what's happening.
Simple, all these arguments will hear, but if we continue
Yes, yes.
day-to-day basis.
Lordship, please.
We will, we will
The
respond to
moment-
your
The
arguments.
moment Bihar arguments are over, we are inclined to start Tamil Nadu.
Lordship. Lordship.
You be ready for that.
Yes, we are ready for that.
We-
When
we are
Bihar is over, we'll be ready for that.
My lord, only as a matter of information, my lord, as I had very respectfully submitted, 96% in Tamil Nadu and 85% in UP is over. And with regard to these 1,200 voters in each booth with so many 2.5 lakh BLAs and, my lord, more than 80,000 staff deployed. My lord, the daily status report is being put on the website every day.
And what is the authenticity of that?
So they are saying we are not aware what is happening.
See, what's the
Work is on,
authenticity
my lord,
of that report?
Contrary to whatever is the process which is being followed, which your lordships are monitoring.
So, what is the authenticity of what they are saying?
Your,
Who is going
your
to determine
BLAs
that?
are there. Your BLAs are there.
My BLAs are there what? My BLAs
They are
means
watching
you
and
don't
supervising
visit,
and
you ask the
assisting.
political party to visit, the elector's name is taken out,
Yes,
and that's
political
fine.
parties have to set a narrative. Political parties have
The
to set a
narrative
narrative.
was that there are Ghuspetias in Bihar, that's why all this is being done, and none was found. That was the narrative of the commission.
In fact, that is the best example to address everybody's apprehension. That ultimately it was, initially we had so much apprehension that God knows what is going to happen there in Bihar, but ultimately what happened?
No, but what happened, Malas?
So,
That was not a single person who was infiltrating.
or something.
What was the reason for this? This was the reason given.
No, they have probably reduced 3 lakh or odd amount, or figure.
No, Malas, in fact, there are 52 lakh people added in the Bihar. But we'll come to that later. This is not the forum to decide all that.
It's all right.
But it's a very serious issue that's going on. But anyway, we can't really say.
Grateful, my lord, deeply obliged.